how to add to-do list widget on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how to add a to-do list widget on your iPhone home screen using the built-in Reminders app. So first things first, let's start by opening up the Reminders app. And then here, create a new reminder. It's on the bottom left. And then start with typing in the reminders. And you just need to put in date and time. And then uh, once you set the date and the details, you just have to put in the title and hit add on the top right. Now come back and then long press on any blank space and tap on edit on the top left. Here you'll find add widget option, tap on it. Scroll down until you find reminders. Now, if you don't find it, there is also a search widgets option on the top, tap on it. And here you can find the widget options that you want to put. So just choose the one that you like the most and hit add widget. And there you go. Now you have added your to-do list widget to your iPhone home screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.